Spiffs, exclusivity agreements, and marketing groups offer key advantages for independent tire dealers. However, lacking certain planning may lead to that hard-earned success disappearing in an instant. Let's talk about that.
This video is sponsored by Wix Filters, manufacturers of filters for automobiles, trucks, off-road equipment, and manufacturing applications. Go to wixfilters.com for more information.
Hello and welcome back to Rollin with the Numbers, where we present you with data that gives tire dealers information to keep their tire businesses rolling, based on research conducted with our independent tire dealer audience and beyond. My name's Christian. On this week's episode, we're looking at how tire dealers build their businesses utilizing helpful industry resources, and why lacking one key plan puts that progress at risk. Spiff programs, exclusivity agreements, and marketing groups provide valuable benefits that help level the playing field for independent dealers competing against those big chains. According to our data, 40% of tire dealers we surveyed leverage Spiff programs from suppliers to increase profitability. We talked about Spiff programs in another recent episode of Rollin with the Numbers, where we explained that, from a tire dealer's perspective, Spiffs are valuable incentives provided by manufacturers to boost the promotion of particular tire brands. These incentives not only serve as an extra source of motivation for dealers, but also offer an opportunity to highlight their expertise in front of customers, enhancing their credibility and sales potential. 34% of respondents have exclusivity agreements aligning them with a brand. This focused partnership gives marketing attention that enhances local branding and inventory control. Meanwhile, 33% said they participate in marketing groups, pooling resources for coordinated regional branding that raises consumer awareness. You may be thinking, though, these programs are so great, why is it that only 33 to 40% of dealers take advantage of programs like these? The answer is in the data. 14% of our respondents said that they use their own tools for growth, citing better service, having the best value in the area, and creating their own rewards programs. These tactics can have a real impact on independent dealers' bottom line and market footing. All right, great, guys. Video over. We're done here. Oh, wait, though. I did forget to mention that you're about to be crushed by a grand piano, and you're dead. Wow. Unexpected turn, right? That's the point. Without a solid succession plan, all that hard work you've put into building your business can unravel. That's why when I saw that 1 out of 6 respondents said they currently have no concrete succession plan at all, I was a bit concerned. 16% of our respondents may be failing to properly plan for their shop's next generation of leadership, which means risking the loss of everything they built by utilizing resources like Spiffs, exclusivity agreements, and those marketing groups. All that progress truly could disappear tomorrow if something unexpected happens, or down the line after an ownership change without a roadmap strategy. As you shape your shop's own succession strategy, remember the tire industry evolves rapidly, and being productive is key to ensuring an easy succession transition when the time comes. The future won't wait. Failing to plan means planning to fail. So, while utilizing the advantages available to you is important now, it's also just as important to invest in mapping out your shop's future leadership. This ensures that what you've built will continue serving your community for the long haul, even after you're gone. But we want to hear from you. What's your succession plan? How are you utilizing resources to stay competitive now and in the future? Well, that's today's show, but for more business intelligence data to help boost tire dealer profitability, be sure to watch out for our next episode. If you subscribe to our newsletter, it's in there. Look out for it. Until next time, keep on rolling.